Alright guys, so I don't know what's going on in the diecast world that's making it to where everybody's thinking about the Vipers again, but I am 1000% behind this because the Viper is obviously my all-time favorite car, so I'm just ecstatic that for some reason everybody's wanting to make Vipers. Like even Greenlight Collectibles is working on a Viper, and then Hot Wheels redid their casting for their Viper, which looks fantastic. I actually plan on doing a comparison between the two. So $50 Viper versus a $1 Viper. Why not? We'll see. So this Viper, well, let me just get out of the wrap. This Viper's been eluding me because it's been $50 freaking on eBay, and I just refuse to pay $50 for a 1/64 scale diecast car. But fortunately, it went on sale on AliExpress. It's a GFCC Viper. These diecast brands are just popping up every day now. I've lost track of how many there are, so I don't know. GFCC looks like they make pretty well detailed models. So, yeah, it's been $50 on eBay. I refused to buy it. I even made an offer on one for $45, and the person that was selling it declined it. And fortunately, like I said, like AliExpress, it came on sale for like $30, and then there's a coupon, so I got this for like $34 shipped or whatever. Way more than I would ever want to pay for a 1/64 diecast car, but there's only 500 of these made, and I'm guessing they'll probably never make this color again, and I just had to get it. Yeah. Wow. 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 Sorry. I'm actually kind of speechless on this. With the paint is incredible. Did they use like the actual color used on the 96 GTS? I don't think the person who made this knows much about Vipers. Yeah, this isn't a 93 Dodge Viper Coupe. This is a 1996 Viper GTS. I don't care about the plaque. So this is number 452 of 400. So they only made 500 of these. So I get that it's extremely limited. I honestly don't care for limited die-casts that much. Because I collect them just because they're cool. All right, let me see if I can get this open. Get that kind of detailed bottom or base. Oh, no way. They've even got like all the dashes and the proper white backing. Like the real one. Jeez, look at the dials, guys. And the proper exhaust. Sorry, I'm not getting this lined up so much. I can't keep my eyes off of it. That is gorgeous. Stop focusing on the background camera. People need to see the Viper. And it's got red calipers. Look at that paint job. Look how slick that is. Want to touch it? Oh man. It even feels like a real car. Now that has some weight to it. Oh man, it's even got like the proper badging on the side. not the most detailed chassis, and I really don't like the way the exhaust looks back here. But the way I display cars, it doesn't matter. So you can see it's got the Dodge Viper. Does that say RT10? Alright, let's zoom in so I can see this on the camera, because I can't see this with my eyes. Oh, come on, guys. You did such an awesome job. This is not an RT10. This is a GTS. It's okay. I'm not gonna let the badges ruin it. This is still... I mean, this is gotta be the best 1/64 scale Viper ever made. This is truly an incredible piece of diecast. I just hate that it's not labeled properly as a GTS. That's okay. It's okay. Wow. I was going to do a comparison video between this and the Hot Wheels one, but this video is already long enough, so. And I don't see a way of safely opening this. I see that there's one screw, but I'm really worried that I'm going to break this one. I don't want to break this one. This is too expensive. So you guys can still see the interior pretty well from in here. Is there any decals on the seats or anything? No, so not too much going on there. It does have the red Viper emblem on the steering wheel that you can see right now. And it's got the white gauges. I love it. So, holy smokes, this car is freaking awesome. Is it worth $50? I don't know. I don't think it's that level of extreme. Now, if you could open the hood and see like a super well detailed engine bay, that'd be $50. I wish these were priced more around 20 bucks, 25. Well, $30 I think is fair. I think $30 would be a fair price for this guy. But anything more than that, I think this one's overpriced for what it is. I think they're pricing it just because of how limited it is. But I wish it wasn't that limited. That's unfortunate. It's got some serious weight to it. It's awesome. Awesome, awesome. But, yeah, what the heck? I'll compare the Viper, the Hot Wheels against it. So this is my first real look at the Hot Wheels one. Which, hey look, 96 Dodge Viper GTS. They actually have it properly labeled. And why does it... Does that say RT? No, okay. I think it says GTS on the side. So this one properly has it on the package. They didn't put GTS on the side. That sucks. Hey, for $1, this is actually phenomenal. This is really well detailed. They didn't complete the stripes. What? No detail whatsoever on the base. What about the gauges? Anything template? Of course not. Alright, Hot Wheels, up your game. I need to see a premium version of this Viper. So we'll compare the two. Which one do you think is closer to the real Viper? Obviously the one on the right. But is it worth... I mean, technically this is a $50 car, this is a $1 car. Is it worth 50 times the price to get the level of detail? I mean, look how skinny the one on the right is. Like, the real Viper is a skinny car. This one, even though they redid it, it looks fat. That's weird. The dimensions are off. They redid the mold, and it looks so good, but it's still off. And this one has the proper mesh over the engine bay, has the proper size scoop. So, it has the proper stripes, and this one is just bloated. Why do I shake so much? Sorry. Wish that the Hot Wheels one had the emblem on the side. feel like the exhaust is too skinny on this one. I feel like the Hot Wheels is actually a little bit more accurate there. And I wish that the stripes went all the way through. I don't understand why they didn't do that. Anyways, whatever. Still very happy with both of these. They're different price points, I know. And I usually say, like, I don't care about the price when it comes to something I really want, and it's something I want to collect. But honestly, I'm happy with the Viper, even though I really stopped collecting Hot Wheels. They did a fantastic job on the remodel of this one. I need to find one of my old ones and do a comparison between the old and the new. I'm happy that it has mirrors. I'm glad that these diecast companies are really starting to put mirrors back on. But this one, holy smokes, GFCC, that's insane. Now, right now they've got the RT10 in white with blue stripes. Guys, you gotta make it red. Please, 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 please make it red. I need a red RT10. All right, I'm gonna shut up. Anyways, guys, let me know in the comments what you think of these, and if you've got either one of these. Keep in mind, there's only 500 of these, well, 499 of these made. I don't expect these to be around too much longer, so if you're in the boat about it, I'd go ahead and just grab it. Put it in the Hot Wheels package. I should post a picture of this on the forums. It really mess with people. They're like, it's AI generated. No, this is a really high detailed diecast car in a Hot Wheels package. But don't sleep on this one, because I'm guessing that they're not going to be around for much longer. AliExpress seems to have the best prices. eBay is way overpriced for some reason. So just look for AliExpress, and there's some sales going on right now. Get a good deal on there, good discount. Hey, thanks for making it to the end of this video. You can subscribe by clicking on the Vipers in the bottom right corner. See my most current video in the top right corner. The two videos on the left are based on your interest in this video. And make sure to leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more content. And as always, happy hunting.